In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Payoneer to GCash 2025 Guide. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is updated, your Payoneer account is active, and you have your phone nearby to receive verification codes. A stable internet connection helps everything go smoothly. Begin by opening the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load, then log in using your MPN. Enter it carefully and keep it private at all times. Once you're on the GCash home screen, head to your profile. This is where you can manage settings, security, and connected services. Inside your profile, look for the section called My Linked Accounts. This is the hub where GCash lets you securely connect to partner platforms. Find and select Payoneer. Linking Payoneer to GCash allows you to move money more seamlessly between the two. So it's great for freelancers, remote workers, and anyone getting paid through Payoneer. Tapping Payoneer will redirect you to a secure Payoneer sign-in page. Sign into your Payoneer account as you normally do. Always double check that you're on an official, secure page and never share your login details with anyone. This authorization step tells Payoneer that you want it to connect safely with your GCash account. After you sign in, Payoneer will send a one-time password or OTP to your phone. Open the message as soon as it arrives and enter the code in the app. OTPs expire quickly, so it's best to do this right away. If you don't see the message right away, check your signal, make sure SMS is enabled, and keep an eye on your messages folder. You can request a new code if the first one times out. Once the OTP is verified, return to the GCash flow and wait for the confirmation banner that says linked successfully. This can take a few moments. When you see that message, you're done. You can go back to My Linked Accounts to confirm that Payoneer now appears on your list, which indicates that the connection is active. A quick recap: open GCash, log in with your MP, and then go to Profile, open My Linked Accounts, choose Payoneer, sign in to Payoneer, enter the OTP sent to your phone, and wait for the linked successfully message. If you run into any errors, try again after a few minutes. Make sure both apps are updated and ensure the details on your accounts match. And remember, never share your MPN or OTP with anyone. That's it. Your Payoneer is now linked to GCash, and you're ready for a smoother experience managing your funds.